Hey there everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you how to add a quiz on Instagram for your story. This is very simple, easy and quick to do. So open up your Instagram, click on the top right where the little post is, click story, then click the little camera icon. Once you've done that, click on the text buttons on the top left here. And here, as you can see, it gives us the normal background that we've already showed you how to change the colors to. But you want to scroll down to the right from here to the very right. And here, on this option, it can give you the quiz option. And if you click here, you can edit the question. You can type it in. Click on option 1 and type it. Click on option B and type it. And as you can see, while I was typing option B, it gave me the option for the third one. And it will give you option for next one, next one, and next one every time you click to add one more. Let's add one more. And we're going to leave it like that. But you must click next here to be able to go forwards. If you just go back, it won't let you post it. So make sure to click next and post it to your story. And now if somebody clicks on it, you'll be able to see each one's individual result. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. See you next time.